Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So, carrying on with the quick vids for the ST16, we're now moving along to the system menu, and on here, as first one is setup. So if we drop into this, your first setting in here is your language. So we've got basically English and Chinese. The next setting in here, we've got the battery type. So you've got 18650, 2S LiPo or other. If you click other, you do get an option of the max voltage of the battery. So you can put that in. And then your battery level meter should work right. If you put it on 2S LiPo, it knows what it should be. And if you put it on 18650, it knows what the battery should be. Then we've got as brightness. So for this, because I'm using this on the with the camera, I've got it down at 20%. It does go all the way up to 100, but as you can see, it does blow it out quite a lot. And following on down from that, we've got as backlight delay. So how long it takes before it times out. So we can have this all the way down from 5 seconds, 10, 30, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or because I'm doing this for making videos, I have it always on. Then you've got your idle alarm. I have this turned off, but you can set it from 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10, 20 or off. I have it turned off because making these videos, again, it'd be very annoying. Auto shutdown, we've got 5, 10, 20, 30 or off. Again, for making videos, I have the auto shutdown off. Then you've got your home screen. So we can have that set to sensors, failsafe, model select, whatever you want. And this is basically your home 2 screen, so the second screen of what's on your main screen. So it really depends what you want this set as. I think quite a few probably have it as channel monitor. But yeah, basically this is where you set your second home screen. So you can have this set to whatever you like. There's a load of options. So main menu, function assign, model set RX, system menu, timer, failsafe, sensors or channel monitor. So as stock it's set to sensors, but depends what you want your second home screen. Your power light, you can have that on or off. It's basically just 2 options. And then your main lighting, we can go through and you can basically change it to whatever colour you want. Or you can have it doing some weird pattern. Or you can have it go into battery. You can have it changed to whatever the throttle's doing. So whatever you've got as throttle, it'll change light to that. Or you can go for a stationary colour. Really just depends what you want. And then you've also got the brightness of it. So down to 10%. I generally run it on 50%. Your auxiliary lighting. So that's these up at the top. So we can have this as off. You can have them again as throttle. Or you can go through. You can set a colour. We can have them scrolling. Or for me, I find these useful to just have as battery. So at a quick glance, you can see what your battery's at. And again, you can control brightness. So down to 10%, up to 100. Again, I tend to run these on 50. Then we've got as alarm, as sounds, so we can have system and alarm, just system, just alarm. Basically, I'm running it on just alarm because every time I press something to go through one of these menus, it'll beep and it gets annoying on videos. And you can change the volume with that as well. So all the way down to 10, all the way up to 100. Then you've got your vibration. Again, I've got it set to just alarm because making these videos, it can get really annoying. You can change the vibration amount as well. So again, down to 10 or up to 100% just for the haptic feedback. Then we've got units. So basically, length in metric, length in imperial, temperature in C or F, so centigrade or Fahrenheit. Really depends on what you actually want on that one. And then that's back to the beginning with us languages. So quick explanation of what everything does. Nice that we've got options of changing as lights and everything. This is where you'd find all your annoying alarm beeps and system beeps when you're pressing everything, and how you can change your actual measurement units. But yeah, nice and simple. Easy to set, but again, thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.